I don't really want no trust fund, baby. I like my women independent, and I say to people that's my lady, and we don't need nothing else. I don't want no trust fund, baby. Save your money, don't spend it. And I say to people that's my lady, and we don't need nothing else. I don't want it.
Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a super fun video. I worked really hard on it, so I hope you guys like it. It's a complete DIY vanity makeover, so I have DIY makeup storage, a seat cushion cover that you can make, just more storage, making it look super cute, and yeah, I think it turned out super well, so let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because that would be the best thing ever. And yeah, enjoy the video. So this is what my vanity looks like right now. As you can see, it's like super unorganized, there's stuff all over the place, and overall I just don't really like how it looks, and it's super hard to keep things neat. So the very first step is to clean. So to start that, I'm taking off everything from my vanity and just setting it aside, and then I'm just going to use some all-purpose cleaner and clean off the top of the vanity because it's pretty dusty. Next, I'm going to organize all of my makeup, and I did 5 different categories. So I did eyeshadows, eyeliners, face products, lip stuff, and a pile of makeup that I use every day. Having a pile of the makeup that you use every day is super important because then you won't have to look for it, and also it's ready to go.
I don't want a girl who takes selfies, want to make up free. Don't want no mean girl, lady in pink, prom queen. I want a girl who climbs trees, always dirt on a
Now for this awesome DIY lipstick organizer, you're going to need some paint and measuring tape, scissors, pencil, and some cardboard. To put my lipstick organizer in, I'm just going to be using this clear makeup box. First, I'm going to measure the depth and length of the area I want the organizer in, and then I'm going to mark that on my cardboard and cut it out. And you're just going to repeat that one more time so you have 2 identical rectangles. This time we're going to measure the width and the depth of the area and then mark that out on cardboard and cut it out just like last time.
Cause passion is passion, you know it just as well as me.
Now just mark your long cardboard pieces into 3 equal sections. Then you're going to lay your smaller pieces on top once you fit them into the container and mark where you need to cut them.
Spark up, buzz cut, I've got my tongue between your teeth. Go slow, go fast, you like it just as much as me.
Now, using those cuts that you just made, you're going to fit the pieces together to create a grid-like pattern and make sure that it fits in your container. Once you're sure that all your pieces fit, you can just go ahead and paint them whatever color you like. You can use spray paint, but it was freezing outside and I was not about to spray paint in my house, so This next thing is a DIY brush holder, and it's super easy. All you're going to need is a mason jar, 2 different kinds of paint, and some paintbrushes. So I'm just going to start with some pink paint, and I'm just going to paint the bottom of my jar. Now I'm just taking a second color of paint and adding that to the top and blending it with the first color to create an ombre kind of look. Once you let your jar dry, just fill it up with some rice or small pebbles to keep your brushes up, and you're all done. The next DIY is this super easy cushion cover. So you're going to need some fabric, scissors, some ribbon, and a pencil. So I'm just laying out my fabric and tracing around the area that I want to cover on my little bench, and then I'm just going to cut that out with the scissors.
Figure out what type of girl that I'm about, who brings the real man out of me. I don't really want no trust fund, baby. I like my women independent, and I say to people that's my lady, and we don't need nothing.
Now in each corner of your fabric, you're just going to want to cut out a small little square.
And we don't need nothing.
Then cut a slit on each side of the cutouts you just made and thread your ribbon through on all of the corners.
I don't really want no trust fund, baby. I like my women independent, and I say to people that's my lady, and we don't need nothing else.
Now you just have to lay your bench on top of your fabric and use your ribbons to attach the fabric to the legs of the bench. And now your bench looks brand new. Once you have everything ready, it's time to set up your vanity. So the first thing that I did was put out my brushes and my little makeup storage thing. And this is where I'm going to put the makeup that I use every day. So I'm just going to place that in there. Now for all of the makeup I don't use every day, I got this set of drawers from Walmart. It was super affordable, and then I'm just using little baskets and organizers to place all of my extra stuff in there. And I did have a bit of a struggle with my curling wand cord, but don't we all? Now for the drawer that's actually inside of my vanity, I used the old drawers from the organizer that was on top of my vanity for some extra storage for odds and ends. Now this might be my favorite part, and that's decorating. So I'm going to start by using this washi tape with this cute pattern on it and a couple of little prints that I had laying around, and I'm just going to tape those up to add a little bit extra. I also have a bunch of perfumes and I really wanted to display them, so I'm taking this gold tray and putting it on top of my makeup organizer and just displaying those perfumes. And then just because it's not decorating without fairy lights, I'm just taking some and draping them over the top of the mirror. And then because I'm super indecisive, I actually decided to move my vanity to a different wall, but now your vanity is complete.
See you smoking those electric cigarettes. Are you joking? Are you joking? I can't, cause you had your chance and you blew it. Yeah, you ripped it up and you chewed it. And the more you talk, you prove it. Yeah, you prove it. The damn you're such a. Did you think that I would let you crawl right back into my bedroom after everything we've been through? I know the truth. The damn you're such a difficult little devil, trying to put it back together. Cause you see I'm doing better without you now. Damn you're such a. And if you're all that's left when the whole world ends, no, I still don't wanna hear it anymore. Damn, you're such a
So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video because I had so much fun making it, and if you did, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel. So that would be amazing. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
the truth. The damn, you're such a difficult little devil, trying to put it back together. 'Cause you see I'm doing better. Damn, you're such a. Did you think that